on the table here, what I've done is I've downloaded and taken a lot of the images that survived to this day of this Black Power movement and the British Black Panthers. They're held by the National Archives, so you can actually go down to the archive and see them for yourself. A lot of our history has been documented in this archive as well. So what I've done is I've taken various pictures of the different protests around Notting Hill. So you can have a look at them as well. Have a look at them and read them. So a lot of them have got descriptions.
I think the Marvel superhero Black Panther is based on this.
Yeah, oh yeah. Because Black Panther is all about aggression because they were very inspired by our stories.
Yeah, they're very inspired.
Yeah, very inspired.
So they must have reached out a lot. That's why.
Oh yeah. So you can see some stuff. For example, this one here. It says a Black Power demonstration and march, West London, 1970s. Yeah. And it said the Metropolitan Special Branch report from August 1970 showed non-uniformed police were planted around the demonstration and photographers prepared, showing the police expectation of the march before it even happened. So basically, this is showing that when they decided to demonstrate, the police really thought that something was going to happen. It's going to be violent, it's going to be clashes, so they planted police officers, plainclothes police officers within this march. So anything kicks off, they've got the evidence so they can use that to arrest people. And some of the images here, some of these images were used as evidence. So this one here, photo used as evidence in the Mango knife trial. So it's just showing that you had the police going around taking pictures in order to, because they were looking for some conviction. They wanted somebody to be arrested.
You see, on some of them, their charges were bodily harm. Now, how do we know if the bodily harm was a plainclothes police officer? Because I'm sure there's a different charge if you assault a police officer as opposed to another member of the public. So if they're in plainclothes and they're not necessarily declaring who they are, anyone could say I'm a police officer. There's no way to identify them. Is that taken into consideration? Say for instance something like this was to happen again.
And it happens all the time.
But do they take that into account when they are bringing the charges against them? Actually, this was a plainclothes police officer. No.
My name's Vaughan and I'm here to tell you about this. On the year 1974, Neil Kenlock, a South London photographer from Jamaica, took a photograph of a young black woman next to a door with words written in graffiti, "Keep Britain White." This photo took place at the International Personnel Training Centre in Balham, London, SW12. The young woman is slightly pointing at the door that has been graffitied, "Keep Britain White." It seems like a white person has done the graffiti expressing how they don't want black people in their country and want them, us, cut out of Britain. This shows that there was high discrimination in the United Kingdom against Africans and Caribbeans. The issue people had with blacks made it hard to live a normal life as a black person in Britain.
Keep Britain white, or did you mean keep it clean? Do you want, my sister, to keep your yard pristine? Do you want to keep Britain white, or for my brother to keep your father's bedpan fresh? See, you won't get rid of me until my thoughts have been expressed. You can't have your country when I speak of my distress, but offer it up the minute you want me to change your sheets and flip your mattress. I'm a person, whole and worthy of love. Don't tell me my rights, but then try to tear me up. Like a whirlwind, carry me here or there, up, down and around. I come here to work, so don't try to play me. For I can be a lawyer, a seamstress or a secretary. I can be what I want to be. I know you won't agree. What you want is to insult me. But why won't you come boldly? Because you don't know how to keep Britain white or clean without me. For who then will demonstrate your inward misery? stand up and do something worthwhile, because white is a blank canvas, and I intend to keep life colourful, expressive, and more importantly, beautiful.
My name is Naima Loftus, and I'm doing a news report.
Okay, excellent.
It's called the Mangrove Mob. Police attack innocents, but only black innocents. Also, we found out that police hit the crowd in casual clothing. This picture was taken at precisely 9:15 by Neil Kenlock on the door of Marie Charles, the 21-year-old work. The International Personal Training Centre. This is a bonus. The mob physically harmed police officers, and this is BRIXTON News by Naima Loftus, news reporter.
Excellent! Say it out loud, sis, like you have it. Tell them, my name is Lizaya. Yes, right. So,
I rushed out the front door of my house, hurriedly locking the door behind me. I'm going to be late, I thought to myself as I walked to work. I only had a short way to go now, and I felt relieved as I glanced at my watch. 5 minutes left, and I wanted to no one in particular. I'm going to make it. Finally, my work building came into sight. However, the relief was short-lived as I realised that there was a large group of people crowded around the entrance. I pushed my way through the crowd so I could see what they were all walking at, and finally saw the front door. It had the words "Keep Britain White" graffiti on it in big bold letters. I felt a shiver go down my spine. The sort of shiver that comes when you're both sad and angry. I wasn't surprised though. This sort of thing happened so many times that shot was pointless. I wish that I could